Hi, grade one, Qatari, Kuwaiti syllable. Today I will start unit 2 in your book Fun English Fun, Kuwaiti syllables. But before I will go to the next unit 2 today, I would like to say don't forget to make share, like, subscribe to my channel, send you new videos. Let's go to our unit today. Today we will start the second unit in your book Fun, English Fun, which is My Body. Let's go to learn this unit. In this unit, we learn some parts of our body. Here is its head, this called head, hand, arm. So I will repeat and repeat after me. Here is head, hand, arm. Here we have a picture and we have odd one. Which one is odd here? You can see this one. Odd means what? Means the difference. Here is the same and here is one difference is this one. Here is how many hands have you got? We have got how many hands? We have 2 hands. Let's read, let's go to another item here in this unit. Here is, we know the letter H, capital H written like this, called capital H and small h. I will repeat and repeat after me. Capital H and small h. H for what? For head. H for head. It's called head. This one is called head. So I will repeat. Capital H and small h, head. Let's go to do this exercise or this question together. Look, say and use. H for horse. Which one is horse here? This one. So this one is horse. Let's go to another item here in this unit. There is capital H and small h written like this. I will write it to you separated, but I would like to write it again to practice how to write it. This is letter H written like this, capital H and small h. Okay. I will leave the link of the book below the video to download it and practice this for this letter. Okay. Let's go to another one here. Here we are. Look at the picture, then ask the question. So here we have a pictures and we have a question to ask about it. What if this? When we point to our hand, I say, what if this? This is my hand. When I point to my eye, I say this. It's my eye. It's my eye. Or when we point to leg, this is my leg. This is my feet. This is the toy. Let's do this exercise. Draw the missing parts, then match. Here is arm. This called arm. So I select this one. Is 2. This one. Leg. This is a leg. Hand. This is the hand. Completed. It will be the hand. Foot. This is foot. Head. This is head. Okay. Let's go to another letter. Here we have another letter. Here we have capital L and small l. So today we learn 2 letters, capital H and small h, capital L and small l. I will repeat and repeat after me. Capital L and small l, capital H and small h. And we learn in the words that we learn it in H, it will be head. It will be here, head. We know the word head in this letter. In this letter, we use head. We know head. Letter L, capital L and small l, for leg. So here we have leg and we have head. So today we have 2 words. I would like to keep it with me. Head and what? And leg. Let's do this question together. L for what here? For what here? The words that started with the letter L. It will be here. It will be here. Lion, lamp, lemon, and laptop. Here we have letter H. Here we have here is letter H. It will be horse, head, heart, and here is a helicopter. So it's helicopter. So letter H. It will be for horse, head, horse, hat, heart, and helicopter. Here we have letter L. Letter L, it will be for lion, lamp, lemon, and laptop. Okay, so here we have capital L and small l written like this. Let's go to another item here in this lesson. Here is we have point, here is we give you the part of your body and you point it for it. When we say ear, which one is ear? This one. Which one is nose? This one. Which one is eye? This one. Which one is mouth? This one. So I will repeat and repeat after me. Here is eye, ear, mouth, and what, and nose. Okay, this is the part of our body. Let's go to next letter. So here we have letter T, capital T and small t. So today we learn capital H and small h, capital T and small t, capital L and small l. So we have, I will repeat it again, capital T and small t, capital H and small h, capital L and small l. Let's know the capital T and small t and what's the words that related to this letter. Okay, here is capital T and small t. T for what? T for train. Train, repeat after me, train. So T, it will be here, tiger, teeth, train, and tortoise. Okay, I will repeat and repeat after me. Tiger, teeth, train, and tortoise. Okay, so I will repeat again the words that we started to repeat it with me. Okay, I will repeat again. Okay. Here we have letter H to be horse, hat, heart, helicopter. Horse, hat, heart, and helicopter. All these words started with letter H. Let's go to letter L. Here we have lion, lamb, lemon, laptop. Lion, lamb, lemon, and laptop. Let's go to the letter T. Letter T, it will be here tiger, teeth, train, and tortoise. Okay, this is the letter T. Okay. Today we end from unit 2. I will repeat it here in this booklet to know what we told in this part. Here we know my body, ear, nose, hand, foot, eye, mouth, leg, head, face and arm, toy and toys. I will repeat it again. I repeat after me. Ear, nose, hand, foot, eye, mouth, leg, head, face, arm, toy, and toys. Let's go to another one here. Here is an exercise. Let's do it together. Capital H with small h, this one. L with a small l. Okay. Here is this boy pointed to his head. Okay. This is what? This is arm. Here is hand. Here is capital A. Here is head. Here is head, and here is leg. Let's go to another one. Here is capital A and small a, capital S and small s. Here is nose and eye, capital A and small a, capital S and small s, nose and eye. Here is, what is this word? The missing letter here, it will be H, like this. Here is the missing letter, it will be L. Toy, here is toy, and here is line. Let's do this exercise together. Here is T capital, and here is T small. L capital and L small. Here is what it is. It's leg. So I select this one. It's eye. It's ear. If we have S, so we say the two eyes. Here I mentioned one eye only and mention one ear only. So can't take S. So it will be here. It will be here. Eye and ear. Eye and ear. Let's go to another one. There is tiger. Tiger started with what? With letter T. Lemon with letter L. By this page, by this part of our lesson, we end from our lesson today. I hope to benefit and enjoy our video today. Thanks a lot. Until we meet again. Goodbye.